Hi friends, welcome to Simple Indian Recipes, your online guide to home style cooking. Today I'm going to share another interesting chutney made with zucchini. Zucchini is a squash variety that is found in green and yellow color. It can be used in any Indian recipe as a substitute for bottle gourd or pumpkin. To make the chutney, I have taken one medium zucchini. Its weight will be somewhere between 200 to 250 grams. You can see that it almost looks like cucumber. I have also taken 3 green chilies, 1 small piece of tamarind, 1 clove of garlic, 1/4 teaspoon cumin seeds, 2 tablespoons each of grated coconut and urad dal, and some asafoetida. I also add some coriander leaves to give that freshness to the chutney. First, you need to trim the edges of the zucchini and cut it into big chunks. The flesh and seeds inside are quite soft and the whole thing is edible. Heat a pan. We are going to roast the urad dal and the grated coconut. After a minute of roasting, you can see that it's become golden brown in color. Now you can remove it onto a plate. Next, in the same pan, add some oil and roast the zucchini pieces with the green chilies. Once the zucchini pieces are roasted and cooked, add the garlic clove, tamarind piece and cumin seeds. Also add some fresh coriander leaves. Saute everything together for another minute. Add little asafoetida and required salt. Mix together, switch off the flame, keep it covered and let it cool down. While grinding, I first take the roasted urad dal and coconut in the mixie jar. On top of this, you can add all the other ingredients. Now grind it to a smooth or coarse chutney depending on your personal choice. Transfer this chutney to a serving bowl. Add additional water if you want to make it thinner. Mix together, check for salt and add more if needed. So now the chutney is ready. Let's prepare the seasoning for this. For this, heat oil in a small pan. Add some mustard seeds, urad dal, dry red chili and curry leaves. Pour this over the chutney and mix together. This chutney can be served with idli, dosa, white rice or even with variety rice. So next time you see zucchini in the market, do buy it and make this chutney. Thanks for watching. See you again with another interesting chutney recipe. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.